Tilt and shifts of well foundation. Causes of tilts and shifts. Soil may not be having uniform bearing capacity. Project obstruction on one side of the well. Sand blowing in well during the sinking. It will cause the sudden sinking of the well. Method of sinking. Material should be removed from all sides equally, otherwise well may not experience tilt. Sudden sinking due to blasting may also cause the tilting of the well, and irregular casting of staining will cause the less friction on one side, leads to the chances of tilting of the well. So most of the time you will see the tilts and shifts are causing due to the whatever the obstructions is occurring during the sinking process on any other side. So this obstruction may be due to the presence of the non-uniform bearing capacity. So presence of something, you can say some boulders, uh, then hard soil, etc. So this is island method, sinking of caisson. Precautions to be taken to avoid the tilts and shifts. The cutting edge of the caisson must be thick and sharp pointed, so it must go smoothly into the ground. External surface of staining and caisson curve should be smooth. This will avoid the additional excessive skin friction developed around the staining as well as the curve, so that the sinking process will go smoothly. Dredging should be done uniformly on all sides and in all pockets of the caisson. Dredging process may cause the additional excessive movements at the base, so it may cause the tilts. Caisson should be symmetrically placed. The diameter of the curve must be placed from 40 mm to 80 mm or larger or more than the external diameter of the staining. So all these precautions you need to take while sinking, so that there will not be any additional movement produced and it will cause the tilts or shift. Rectification of tilt. So there are different methods of rectification of tilt. We see one by one here. So first one, pushing of the caisson or well with the jack. So you can provide a hydraulic jack like this. So this is the well which is experiencing the tilting here. So one can apply a hydraulic jack and try to pull in other side of the tilt, so that it can make vertical. Eccentric loading. If nearby well is not available, then we can provide eccentric loading like this, and we can create the additional movement at the higher side here, so that we can try to make it vertical. Water jetting. So minor tilts can be rectified, or shift also can be rectified with the help of water jet. So high speed water jet is applied on the higher side of the well here. Excavation done on higher side. Sometimes it may be happen that the lower side is experiencing a very soft soil and higher side is experiencing the very hard soil or boulders or rocks will be. So excavation can be done on the higher side and it can be made vertical. Providing temporary obstacle below the cutting edge. A wooden slipper or steel plate can be provided at the base, so that the further sinking process can be stopped and you can make the vertical by on the excavating on the other side. Pulling of the rope. Pulling of the well can be done as same as hydraulic jack method. So here only we are providing a steel rope, so that it can be made vertical. Wooden strut. The lowering side can be supported with the help of wooden strut, so that it can avoid the major sinking and shifts.